That's my little brother not wearing pants.
You have a hole in you. All the air is gonna fall out. You're gonna melt. You're gonna inflate. You're not gonna have any air. Get pants on.
Bobby.
I found your hole. Maybe we can patch it. It's right there. Right there.
Hey, that's my burning man.
No, if you're gonna die, that's a hole. Come on, let's go get a Band-Aid. Let's put this fuzzy stuff in it.